Hi everyone! In today's video it's going to be a quick tip how to reduce size of your EPS file in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. For this video I chose pretty heavy file and first of all I just save it and let's see how heavy it is. The reference size of my artboard is 2000 by 2000 pixels. So here it is, let's see. So it's about 100 megabytes. To change the size, we go again in File, Save As. We will replace our file with a new one and change a few parameters. First of all, we change this one. This is for stocks related. I usually do it this way. Go to Custom, drag it until it's 0. Here we put 72, not lower than 72, and 72. Click OK, and we're basically good to go. And our files will be reduced dramatically. This helps a lot with files, with illustrations and works which are pretty heavy and complicated. So now you can see that we reduced it until 14 basically megabytes. You can make a screenshot of these parameters which are important, and that's it. I hope this video was useful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye!